Today, I'm going to show you how to add a batteries widget to your Samsung home screen. This handy widget will allow you to quickly see the battery percentage of your connected headphones. Let's get started. First, make sure you're on your Samsung phone's home screen. Now, long press on an empty area of your home screen. This will bring up a menu of options. From the menu, choose Widgets. Scroll through the list of widgets until you find the batteries widget. You can tap and hold the widget and drag it to your desired location on the home screen, or you can tap on the desired widget and tap Add. Once you've placed the widget, you can customize it by changing its size. I will now connect my headphones and let you see the battery percentage. Here in the list, you can see my device and my battery headphone percentage. And that's it. You've successfully added the batteries widget to your Samsung home screen. Now you can easily keep track of your headphone's battery level with just a glance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.